Hello everyone, today we are working with our stretching and how to stretch your sleeve and how to do that right and without pain. So we'll get started. You'll stay in this position, take your leg more behind and relax and start slowly to pushing for your legs. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do the work. Take those legs out. Take your legs down and take stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go behind. And now take your hands on the floor. Take in this side. Take one leg up and try the circle. So 1, 2, 3. Change side. And slowly go down. Take your blocks and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it. Subscribe me, take me likes, and bye bye.